Jai Shri Ram or Jai Bajrang Bali. What is the difference? Quite a lot when it comes to making political choices. Remember, this was what Delhi's voters told the BJP 17 months back, and these might be the only options for the voters in Gujarat 17 months from now. Is the Aam Aadmi Party setting itself up against the BJP or the Congress in the state? Let's decode this. On June 14th, AAP kicked off its 2022 Gujarat Assembly poll campaign, and in true Aam Aadmi Party style, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, arguably India's most famous example of a politician midwifed by news, TV and social media, inducted a well-known Gujarati in his party, a popular vernacular news anchor. Kejriwal inaugurated the party's state office in Ahmedabad and announced that AAP will contest all assembly seats next year.
हम किसी नेता के खिलाफ नहीं हैं, हम किसी पार्टी के खिलाफ नहीं हैं.
And here, many of you might ask, where exactly is this confidence coming from, right? To answer that question, let's go back to February this year, when the party won 27 of 120 seats in Surat municipality polls.
गुजरात के लोगों ने कमाल कर दिया इस बार, और खासकर सूरत के लोगों ने और ज्यादा बड़ा कमाल कर दिया.
No, not impressed? Okay, let's try one more time. This was AAP's first electoral victory in the state. But more interestingly, a lot of these seats were taken from the Congress, who were then reduced to 0 seats. Yes, the BJP won the polls. It has won nearly all elections in Gujarat for the last 27 years, and the Congress remains an ineffectual opposition. The question then is, could AAP be the opposition that Gujarat needs? Allow me to list out the reasons why. AAP is the only party to have stopped BJP's juggernaut twice since 2014, both times in the assembly polls in Delhi. On the second occasion, which was last year, AAP neutralized BJP's Jai Shri Ram with its chant of Jai Bajrang Bali. In Gujarat, Congress still finds it difficult to fight the BJP on the Hindutva pitch. In 2017, Congress gave BJP a scare. It won most of the rural seats of the state but couldn't capture urban Gujarat. If Kejriwal found Lord Hanuman in 2020, in 2017 Rahul Gandhi found his Janevu. But that was 3 years ago, and Congress now is a divided house in the state. There is factionalism. Its legislative party chief and state president quit after the party's humiliating defeat. But even after 4 months, the party hasn't been able to find their replacements. So what does Kejriwal do? For one, he knows how formidable the BJP is in Modi and Shah's backyard. So for starters, he's doing the next best thing. AAP is targeting Congress for being in the pocket of the BJP. He has not directly criticized Modi and Shah. In case he triggers Gujarati Asmita or pride, he has in fact stopped criticizing Modi ever since his party's flop show in 2019 Lok Sabha polls. Instead, Kejriwal is focusing on issues that have become symbolic of Delhi government's performance, like education policy, health infrastructure, and good governance. Gujarat has had poor human development indices. Health infrastructure, as COVID-19 exposed, is in tatters, as is affordable public education, while private-run educational institutes are expensive. Back in 2017, the Congress campaign of Vikas Gando Thayo Chhe, or development having gone mad, in Gujarat caught the people's imagination. The Congress won a record 77 seats. 3 young men had contributed to this victory. Today, Partidar leader Hardik Patel is the state working president of the Congress, but says he is frustrated and bored and feels isolated in the party. Mewani is an independent MLA. OBC leader Alpesh Thakur quit Congress to join the BJP, lost assembly by poll to a Congress candidate, and is now a spent force. it would probably be too much to expect the Congress and the AAP to come together in Gujarat, especially since AAP had rejected Rahul Gandhi's plan for Delhi in the last Lok Sabha elections. So finally, after 2 decades, will AAP be the challenger to the BJP? Or in doing so, will it make the contest a triangular one which might help the BJP? There is plenty to watch out for next year.